happened. I just suddenly stopped.
Are you out of steam?
I don't use steam. I run on electric power. But my battery is fully charged. Something must be wrong.
What could it be?
I don't know. I'm just super stopped. How will I get my cars to Vickerstown Station if I can't go?
What if I tow your cars and you to Vickerstown?
But what if you aren't fast enough to get us there by sundown?
I may not be as fast as you, but I can still get you there on time. I, Thomas, promise.
Electric. Thanks, Thomas.
Hold on tight. Let's roll.
You okay, Thomas?
A little tougher than I thought. Just gonna give it a little more axle grease.
We're rolling.
Yeah. We're on our way.
Thomas, is there anywhere at all we could go just a little quicker? We're not alone.
Huh?
Thomas, can you please pick up the pace? We do need to get to Harwick, dear.
And we need to get there today, love.
Yes, got it. Doing my best.
I thought high-speed engines were supposed to be high speed.
Are we going backwards?
I've never held anyone up before.
Please pick up the pace, Thomas!
Is there anything we can do?
Don't worry, I've got an idea. We're going the back way. It's my secret shortcut.
Thank you, Thomas.
Good luck. Take care, dear.
Don't get lost.
Yeah, don't get lost.
Are you sure this is a shortcut, Thomas?
Don't worry, I, Thomas, promised I'd get you to Vickerstown before sundown, and that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, if you think we can. Wait!
What is it? What's wrong?
The tracks ahead. They're so hilly and curvy. High-speed engines like me can tip over if we go too fast on curves.
Good thing you're going Thomas speed today. So hold on to your axles and get ready for some fun.
What kind of fun?
I'll show you. Ready?
Maybe?
Here we are. The overnight stop. The great outdoors. No roof over our chimneys. What? No wall at our rear buffers. I didn't even think of that. The music of the forest all around us. I'm afraid to sleep away from home. Why didn't you tell us before? I didn't want you to think I was a scaredy train. It's okay to be nervous. I used to get nervous sleeping away from home. Me too. You did? Totally. And camping out in the woods can seem scary at first, but it can also be a lot of fun. That's right. There's a ton of fun camping games we can play. Really? Like what? Chug, chug, chug your train gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is a stream. Wow! Look at those constellations, Percy. That's Trinus. Oh, Engine Eye. And there's the little steamer. I think you mean Taurus, Gemini, and a Little Dipper. You know what? I think I'm actually beginning to like camping. Glad to hear it, Percy. Oh, because I think it's time to go to sleep. Sleep? Yep. We've got another long day tomorrow, so we better all get some rest so we can make our deliveries. Good night, Thomas. Good night, Nia. Good night, Percy. Tugger. Chugga, 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 chugga. Thomas! Hey, Thomas! Psst. Thomas! Thomas!
Yeah, Percy?
Oh, good. You're awake. I am now, but shh. We don't want to wake Nia. Too late.
What's going on, Locamigo?
There's all kind of weird noises out here. Like that! That's just the creaky crick of a little cricket.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Sorry, I'm just so excited. Can I help you get down sooner?
Really? That'd be great. Can you take this big bulb over to Vickerstown Lighthouse?
No problem.
Thanks, Thomas. Switch on 1, 2, 3.
Great. See you at the docks in a little bit.
Great. Oh, and don't use the shortcut through Crumble Canyon. It's supposed to be really windy and crumbly today.
Crumble Canyon. Got it.
Thanks, Thomas. I thought Percy was delivering this light bulb today.
He was. I'm just helping him out so he can meet the rest of us at the docks when the telescope gets here. That's Bulstrode. He's got the telescope. You got this, Carly?
Yes,
Great! I gotta get to the dock. See ya! Thomas! I can't wait to see that telescope. I know. I'll take a shortcut through Crumble Canyon. What did Percy say about Crumble Canyon again? Something about it being windy? Whoa! And crumbly? Oh, well... Hey, guys. Is the telescope here yet?
Not yet. Bulstrode should be here any. Thomas, what happened?
What do you mean?
Thomas, I told you not to cut through Crumble Canyon.
So that's what you said. I knew it was something like that.
You look terrible. Like, really terrible.
Huh? I just got a little dinged up. No biggie.
Thomas, what on earth? You have to get to Tidmouth right now.
Right now? But I want to see the new telescope.
No buts. You have to get repainted immediately. You don't want to rust, do you?
Rust?
I'm so glad you came to see me. You've got a bad case of the scrapes.
Aww. I can't believe I'm going to miss Cranky unloading the new telescope.
Scratches and dings do turn to rust if you don't fix them, Thomas.
And you don't want rust, Thomas. Rust is the worst. I hear it's super itchy and scratchy and really uncomfortable.
Oh, it is. You should be fine, Thomas. See? Got you all fixed up with a fresh new coat of paint. Good as new.
Beach where the seagulls play, and I'm going to see a new beach today. A salt air breeze so beautiful to me. We're going to the beach at... Whoa! I've never seen that drawbridge before. You haven't? But this is your shortcut. Did we take a wrong turn? No, it's probably just new. It doesn't look that new to me. Anyway, come on. We've got to slide down it at least once. Whee! Chug to chew! I love drawbridges. You try it. Okay. You're right, Thomas. Drawbridges rock. To the beach. Hey, those are the mountains for my route. They're really far away. Good thing we're taking a shortcut. Well, it's definitely a beautiful shortcut. Ribbit. Huh? You didn't tell me about this pink water tower? A pink water tower? What a great surprise! Hi, Cow. I'm Nia. I love your sports. Wanna dance? I don't remember passing the farm last time. Hey, Nia, maybe we should keep moving. Right. I can rock out with Miss Cow another time. Bye, Cow. Bye, Pink Water Tower. I think this is the right way. Hey, I found the edge of the forest. Come on! Phew. Oh, no! Hang on. Isn't that the pink water tower I just said goodbye to? No. The other one was more pink. Really? Because I'm pretty sure that's the same cow too. Percy? There's no more flags inside your mail car. No more flags? But I can't do my piston pop in the parade without one. Maybe we dropped it on the way? We'll just have to backtrack along Percy's mail route. It's got to be there somewhere. Then I'm coming with you.
I'll head to the parade and save us all a good spot. See you all soon.
Great. Let's go. Checked with everyone on your mail checklist on the way here. Then it's got to be somewhere here. Let's look around. 2 if you see something orange. Not over here. Not here either. Did you find it, Percy? Sorry. I thought I saw it, but it was just the side of Nia. Where could it be? There it is. Oh, no. I got it! Diesel! Wait! Come back! He can't hear us! We've got to stop him. He's got my flag! Huh? Wait! Diesel! Oh, so you want to play? Can't catch me! Woohoo! Oh no! He thinks we're playing train tag! Diesel, wait! You don't understand! Diesel's heading for that tunnel. Where did Diesel go? Look! Over there! They're good. He's good, but we're better. Diesel, stop! Never! Told you can't catch me. That away! Follow that flag! Whoa. Hey, where are you going? Guess I won. I don't see anything. Me neither. Maybe if we move to them like we did this morning, they'll move back, and then we can find them. It's like a listening game. Moo! 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 I heard that. Moo? It's coming from over there. Do tractors moo? No, but cows do. Moo-ray! cows down, 6 to go. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. I heard that! There a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. That's 5 and 6 cows. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. 7 cows. Moo-moo. 8 and 9 cows. 10 cows. That's the last one. Let's move out. We're back.
And just in time. The gate is all fixed so the cows can come home.
Slow and steady. Cows, come on down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. 10! Yeah! Woohoo!
10 cows? Excellent work keeping track of them all. You must have really paid attention.
Actually, we played attention.
Played attention?
Yeah, we played games that helped us pay attention.
Well, it obviously worked.
Speaking of playing, who wants to sing Old MacColl Had a Farm on the way home? Me!
I do.
Well, I suppose I could join in. Old MacColl had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm he had some cows.
Maybe we shouldn't sing about cows.
Chickens?
Perfect.
With a bok-bok here and a bok-bok there. Everywhere a bok-bok.
Old MacColl had...
I guess delivering the sailboat to the farm wasn't a total disaster.
Yeah, the cows sure do like it.
Sorry, guys. You're gonna have to move.
Okay, so before we went to the farm, we hit the rough tracks and had to slow down.
Good catch. Let's go fast. And by fast, I mean slow.
Backwards day! Not so bad if you go slow.
Yeah, I mean, no. Busted bolts. The switch is still set to take us back the long way.
Then we have to flip the switch so we can stay on the main line.
How are we going to do that backwards? And with a tree on your track?
I've got an idea. Got it! Now for the switch.
Wow, that was totally awesome!
Now we're track on back.
Backwards day! Yeah!
Just in time for the sunset cruise. Now, where are the cows?
Come on, guys. Let's move!
All off board, cows.
Home on the range.
Well, looks like you fixed everything. Bad job. By which I mean good job, of course, because it's a backwards day. Well, I suppose you can have fun and work at the same time, hmm?
Oh, I'm glad we got everything fixed. But I'm also glad backwards day is over. Oh, I'm beat.
Me too. Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Percy.
Backwards day.
We were just chasing a rainbow.
Yeah, every time we get close, it runs away.
Wait, did this rainbow have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet colours?
Have you seen it?
Well then, you're closer than you think.
There it is!
Come on, let's go see what's at the end of that rainbow. What is at the end of a rainbow? Maybe it's a huge bushel of whistles. Hey, wait for me! Woohoo! Nothing can stop us now. Wow! I've never seen that mountain before. Yeah, I can see the rainbow, but I don't see a way up the mountain.
These tracks just go around the mountain, not up.
It's hopeless. Without tracks to the top, we'll never reach the rainbow. It's impossible.
What's impossible?
There's a rainbow up there that we're trying to catch.
Cool. It looks like we could get to that track from behind those bushes.
You found the secret entrance.
I did? I did. But how do we get over there? The tracks are broken. Don't worry. One rainbow railway coming right up. Have no fear. Sandy and Carly can make your problems disappear. A clack clack here and a snap snap there. Here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Hurry! The rainbow's disappearing.
Here a clack, there a snap, everywhere a clack snap.
Here's your new connector rail from Sandy and Carly.
Yes!
Thanks, Sandy. Yeah. Come on, everyone. Full steam ahead.
What's at the end of the rainbow? Hey! It's gonna be a great surprise. What's at the end of the rainbow's bend? You won't believe your eyes. Hey! It's just ahead now. We cannot wait to see the end of the rainbow. Whatever will there be?
The end of the rainbow. Ooh. Look at the clouds. Wow. Awesome. Yeah. Sandy, can you help me with my whistle?
Whoa, I've never heard a whistle make that sound before. That is... Ooh, wow.
Massive, but I'm on it. Try it now. Great. I am ready to hear my old...
Wow, this really is a more massive deal than we thought.
For a job this big, I'm going to need my extra special tools. Meet me at the sheds later? Okay. See you then.
Go easy on that totally, completely broken whistle.
I know you want it to be fixed, but it's just a little longer, and then you can get your peep back. Come on, let's finish our mail route.
I think you should finish this delivery on your own.
But what about Percy?
You feel like yourself again, and that's great. But I won't until this is fixed. Just go on without me.
Well, if that's what you want, I'll meet you back at the sheds. By that time, I'm sure Sandy will have fixed your whistle.
If she can even fix me. Otherwise, I'll never peep again. See? Percy doesn't need me. He can toot and carry the mail by himself. Troublesome trucks! Should be trouble making trucks. Uh-oh! One of the troublesome trucks is headed right for Percy! I have to warn him! He can't hear me! But with your help, maybe he will. Okay, just follow the number 1 bird. Percy, stop!
Thomas?
We'll do it together, like rollercoaster cars.
And you're our passenger, nice and safe in the middle.
Shall we give it a try?
This is kind of cozy. Sure.
Up, up, up the hill we go! Click, 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 click. Ready?
I can do this. I'm safe in the middle. It's not so bad. I take it back! This is terrible!
That wasn't so bad, was it?
That was totally awesome! The wind in my face, my boiler was bubbling. It was really scary, but not really. But really, really, but not. My wheels are still shaking. What's next?
This is the darkest, scariest tunnel in Sodor.
It'll be just like the screen tunnel on a real roller coaster.
But this isn't so dark or scary.
How about now?
Oh, are we done screaming?
You're pretty good at screaming.
Yeah, I've had a lot of practice. That was like flying in the dark, only scarier and more fun. What's next?
Come on, you're going to love this. Yeah, we all get scared. It's a feeling that's shared. You can go slow, just watch your courage grow. Face any fears
Without shedding any tears.
And just to be clear, we're your friends and we're here. Welcome to the biggest, twistiest, steep turniest tracks in all of Sodor.
That sounds like Cannonball Curve.
Yep, it's a big curve like a roller coaster. I know you're a little scared, but we're right behind you. So if you...
I know. Let's go. Faster! Faster!
Wow, the old mine is even older and minier than I thought it would be. And darker and scarier. That's right, I've got Percy's lucky bell. With this bell by my side, nothing can go wrong. Let's do this. That was close. What? Huh? So close. All right. Whoa! Phew. There's the platform. I made it. Thomas!
Topham.
I did it! I made it through the mine! And it was all because of Percy's lucky bell. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. I don't need to feel afraid, won't bend or break or fall, because I've got a special bell that takes care of it all. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Caves, monsters or broken track, I think I'll be okay. This lucky bell sure has a knack for saving every day. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with me. Percy gave this bell to me. I'm lucky he's my friend, so I'll take care of Percy's bell until the very end. I sure am feeling lucky, 'cause I've got this bell with... Uh-oh. Phew. Oh no! Percy's bell! Thomas promised Percy I would be really careful with this bell. But I wasn't. What am I gonna do? Just tell Percy the truth, and I'm sure everything will be fine. Huh? Hope that doesn't mean my luck is changing. Easy, Wheels. Easy. Whoa! I sure am feeling unlucky without Percy's bell with me.
My eyes spy something black and white.
Is it a cow?
Moo betcha. Your turn.
My eye spies something silver and super twisty.
Is it those twisty twirly tracks? Uh-oh. Twisty twirly tracks? Won't those be difficult to cross with our colossal cargo?
There'll be a breeze if we do it together.
A little bumpy there.
Good thing this team is going slow. Hey, Percy! I want to play too. My eye spy. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, those tracks were chugga-chugga too fun.
And you were right. It was a breeze when we took it nice and slow.
Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wait up! Slow down! I don't think they heard us. I mean you! Whoa! Rusty rail spikes! Whoa! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Phew, that was a close one.
Yeah, and it was kind of exciting too. Though, we should be more careful if we want to get this cottage delivered in one piece.
Yeah, you're right. I was thinking more about Percy's My I Spy game.
My eyes spy?
Which we can catch if we cut through that tunnel. Come on!
I just don't get what the big deal is. Why can't we play our own game of My I Spy? Here, I'll start. My I Spy something black and white.
Is it... that skunk?
Skunk?
Such big stink in such a little skunk. But you should see your face right now.
My face? You look like you've seen a green ghost.
Come on, we still have time to catch up to Percy.